Hello. This is the next video in my series to help men improve their dating profiles with some tips. First, let's read through some of this dating profile. Yes, this was on his bio. Okay, this is what he says. Come on already. Positive and motivated women only. Did I just get asked to help buy this female a new car? What the F is wrong with women on this site? Do you seriously think your loving is that good? I guess you better ask if you are talking to a boy or a man first before you try that stuff on me. Grow up and get your own stuff. If I sense at any moment you are trying my patience with something that has to do with money, I will drop the mic. Real man, no big black women, unless the majority of you is Asian. Preferred are Asian, Latin, white. Are you kidding me with this site? Mix between Deadpool and Wolverine. Is there anything left out there that is not complicated? Just a simple guy. Positive vibes, please. Excite me. Keep negativity away from me. Please do not waste my time or stamina. And his IG says Cox Diesel. Yes, I did try to go to his IG. It's private. There's more, y'all. He's a 6 feet tall Ethiopian American. I dominate the hell out of females and their weakness, and I'm the guy that sets you on the right path. P.S. If your diet doesn't involve veggies and fruits, we might not click. If you're not into martial arts or fitness, we might not click. 2. Your looks and sexiness doesn't mean anything to me. If we're not vibing on a different level, I won't hesitate to cut you off. It just keeps getting better. Am I going to be your distraction or am I going to be your forever? Let's have a purpose on here. If we match, let's speak. I am very simple, but it's so extra. I understand female nature, which makes me one of the few. Now, just to let you know, he is a true Hebrew Israelite, and he prefers a feminine woman, sense of humor. So it's time for the big reveal. What does Mr. Cox Diesel look like? I was very unenthused with his lack of subject verb agreement, with the use of some of his words, with the fact that he randomly capitalizes some words and some he doesn't. He talks about positivity, but proceeds to be negative in almost every paragraph. But this is what I have seen. You guys let me know what you've seen. How can we help this person improve his dating profile? Like, comment,